are off and flying in this one. Making a great start, all pilots off the block, and they are all bunched up.
HD0, look at the screen.
Back and forth, it just looks like a little buzzy bees going round in circles. And everyone successfully onto the tiny whip tower of Tara. But who's going to be first through the tape tunnel? It is neck and neck. Jaggers goes down in the tape tunnel, hits hard. Can he turtle flip back? He can. Devil chasing someone into the happy model silent. It's neck and neck going up into the wormhole. Get that one right, you don't want to mess it up. They're both successfully through, heading up. It's Hyperdam chasing Devil. Devil gets the first gate first. He's down into the drop gate. Hyperdam going in to the drop gate next. These guys are so quick, they are all neck and neck. What incredible skill. Who's coming down the first? Hyperdam makes it down the set successfully first, followed by Devil with Mike Statement in third. Neck and neck, they are LEDs in front, changing it back and forth. I can't even see, it's just so pretty colours. Billy Roll's rule has blue screens. I'm just going to go for a hard reset. Okay. It is Mike Verstappen has taken the lead from the other two, neatly negotiating the Happy Model Solomon going up the stairs into space. Who have we got on his tail? It is Hyperdam.
He's going to get out of it. I think
Jaggers
just managed to get
can
out.
do it.
But it's Michael's taken coming down the stairs.
Down into the crash gate, Mike Verstappen gets the first position. Who's going to next? So hard to tell. Hyperdam drop.